Hello there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for visiting the Janitorial Spot TV channel. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe below so that you get the latest on our live streaming and our videos. So let's get started. Now, closing the sale. This is one of the most important things you need to learn when it comes to starting or growing your cleaning business. If you cannot close the sale, it's going to be really hard to actually grow your business. So we're going to go a little bit into closing the sale. When you have gotten that phone call to come in and do an appointment, and you're so excited to go in and do your appointment, you do your walkthrough, you do your proposal, or let's back up. You do your walkthrough, you finish the walkthrough, you're going to submit your proposal, but you have to actually close the sale while you're there. Sometimes you may not have the opportunity to bring the proposal back to the customer. They want it submitted electronically. So while you're there, you have to really make sure you build a rapport to close the sale. One of the most important things you can do is do some research before you meet with your potential customer. Find out about how long they've been in business, what they do. Try to find out as much information about the company. What do they offer that's different and unique? You want to actually be able to speak intelligently so they know and understand that you also are interested in them, and it's not just about them actually doing business with you. It should be a two-way thing. Once you've done that, what you can do is try to ask questions about what was the problem with the old cleaning company. Now, sometimes they're a little closed mouth about that, and you understand. But don't ask anything that's going to be offensive. You just want to, ask them, what was it that made them want to now start going out and getting other bids? If they did not have a company and you're brand new, you'd be the first one cleaning, then your questions would be a little different. So you might then want to ask them why they decided to outsource or look at outsourcing their cleaning, so you can get understanding about why that is the case. Remember, the more you close, the easier it will become. It's about practice. So after you've done probably 10 or 12 closing walkthroughs, it's going to become easier and easier and easier to close the sale. The last thing that I really want to emphasize is actually asking for the business. That's right. So many people don't ask for the business. So once you've done your appointments, you've done everything you need. You've asked the questions. You've gathered the figures and the formula that you need. Simply let the customer know, I am interested in doing an outstanding job for you. You should be able to list the reasons why you're the greatest company they could ever think to hire. You should have your list of reasons why they should hire you, and it should be something that stands out. And then ask for the business. Tell them you're interested. You really know you're going to do a fantastic job, and then give the reasons why you're going to. Not just say we're going to do a fantastic job. There's so many companies that would say that. You may say that you spend X amount of money on training, that you have a family business, that you've been in business for X amount of years, that you've worked for a cleaning company for X amount of years, that you love cleaning, it just runs through your blood, that you have great safety programs. But these are just a few. Make sure you have your own and make them uniquely to your company. So, if you're interested in our $97 membership that will help you with these and other possible concerns you may have, we are so interested in helping you start or grow your business. Our membership is $97 for the year, and we have PDF templates, we have sample contracts, proposals, and we're so sure that you would just love our membership. So make sure you visit www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730 extension 106, and we'll be more than happy to go over any information you have on our membership. But our website goes into great detail about what's offered, and you get training videos and so much more. So make sure you call us or visit our website for more information. And with that, I hope this video was insightful and informative, and you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.